what is up today? Welcome to KPM70, and let's just say, have you ever seen a camera, one of those red dragon cameras that looks really cool? I have always wanted to use one of those things, because those things are so cool. Just saying, it's very futuristic. Anyway, the camera red is basically gonna have a new red holographic smartphone. Wow, let's just say, this thing looks so awesome. I will have a little screenshot of what will it look like, and look out, Apple and Samsung, you are gonna be in competition with this thing. The red hydrogen camera is revealing that they had a sneak peek of the smartphone, and this thing looks really cool, and I will have a screenshot of the image above me. Sorry Samsung, sorry Sony, sorry Huawei, sorry Apple, you are in competition with this thing. This thing looks really nice. Apparently it's gonna have a 4D holographic display. It basically beats Apple. And it beats Samsung, it beats even Sony. The red calls the 4-view mode, and it's 3D content converted to 4-view. So basically, it's gonna be a 4D phone. Basically, I can't wait how the camera looks, cause those red cameras, especially they were already in 4K before Apple got into 4K. Those red cameras quality is so intense. It's so cool, and it is so awesome, and it's so amazing. So yeah, that is what I have for tech today. So let me know in the comments below if you are gonna get this phone, when it comes out. And how are you a filmmaker? Have you used the red camera, hydrogen, whatever it's called, a red camera? Have you ever used it? If so, I want one. I want one. I want this. Can you please ship that thing over to me so I can review it on my channel? I would love to review that thing. I would love to sponsor red cameras. Yeah, basically, I would love to. So red camera, if you're out there, I want to be sponsored with you guys, okay? Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me all over it of Essays Live, and see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.